quick while I was editing the video. I realized I never really explained what I was using or what. Basically, somebody told me to try this waterproof brow from Maybelline. Looks like this. So I did. I got black brown. I was basically just showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. They've been on for like a week. This is how the tube looks like, and I just wanted to say that. So yeah, I legit look dead, but it's okay. So I use my eyebrow brush that you would use for like a dip brow, spoolie, and then I squirt some of this on the back of my hand. I'll show you. Also, you're gonna need a Q-tip to clean it up because it actually comes out with a lot of product. So it's like a eyebrow thing. That's not gonna work for me. So I like put it in the back of my hand. Brush my non-existent eyebrows up because I don't have anything. And then I outline it first. And a little bit goes a long way. But you gotta move kind of quick because when it dries, obviously it's gonna stick and gonna last. Outline the bottom. In my opinion, it's supposed to look crazy first, and then it gets better when you clean it up. Outline the top. And then you can start to fill it in a little bit. Go smaller than what you would normally want. And build, because it's easier to build than take this stuff away, because when it dries, like, it's on your eyes. I just have a napkin and I tap some of it off. And you just fill it in. For the front, I use a little bit. And then obviously before it dries. Actually, they give you one too. I'm gonna use theirs just because I don't want it to be on my thing. Mine's already drying. I can feel it. It like feels kind of tacky, but not really. So say if I wanted to clean it up today, I did it pretty okay, but you use a Q-tip and you just do what you would do if you're using concealer to clean it up. How about that? That's a better explanation. Just to get the shape you want. Yeah. And then you could use like to fill it in because it's quicker, but like take some of the product off because it's actually a lot. You could like brush your hairs to fill it in. This time I'm gonna do it a little bit darker because when it dries, it kind of dries pretty light. And then for the front, because you don't want it to look like boxy and fake. But everybody does their eyebrows however they want. Doesn't matter. I just press through it before it dries. Yeah, there's one. Pretty much. Let me do the second one so I don't look like... I have a bigger mirror in front of me. I got my little one and my vanity mirror, so I'm gonna look in there for a second. Okay, now that I look like a normal person again, I have two eyebrows. They're cousins, not twins, but it's okay. Just so you know, when you're like almost done, make sure that it's like the way you want it and your hairs dry in the place you want it. Like right now, they're basically dry, so it's hard for me to move it. It's gonna be really hard for you to fix it if you don't fix it while it's still wet. And it dries pretty quick. It says to let it dry for a minute. It dries in a minute, but like the whole thing is not going to be dry. So don't play with it or touch it for as long as you can, to be honest with you. The longer you let it dry without playing with it, the longer it's going to last. Which is what I did. And I took a shower with it. I worked out, sweat. So I'm going to show you how it looks when I outline it with concealer. You don't have to, because I feel like see, the only way this is coming off with a makeup wipe, so I'm not even gonna try. I don't put a lot though, because when you're washing your face, obviously you don't want to use like a makeup wipe to take off the eyebrows, so I only use a little bit. I'll show you one of them. This one I kind of messed up a little bit. I literally use like the smallest amount. In the bottom, and if you mess up, you could take the tiny bit that's kind of dried on the brush and fix it. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the top on the other one. Foundation on, so I don't put a lot so it doesn't look crazy. But this color blends into my skin pretty good. And that's basically it. Just let it dry. Don't run your spoolie through it. Don't touch it. I think last time I let mine dry for like an hour. But like, honestly, there's no reason for me to be touching my eyebrows anyways. It's just so like I could like not have to redo them tomorrow. And usually, I'm a highlight person. I'm just gonna show it anyways, because why not? We're in quarantine board. I always put highlight under my eyebrows. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, but one thing I will put, Actually, I'm not gonna use this one. One thing I will put is highlight. I like this one better. I feel like it makes it look so clean. Even if you don't even outline it, because like I didn't outline the bottom of this one. And yeah, I'm done. I look like a human again with eyebrows. Alright.